Okay, guys, so welcome all to the Enigma Strategy webinar. Myself, Head of Strategy, Henry. I hope everybody is doing fantastically well. It's another week on the markets and going to give you the lowdown of the basic pairs. Let's see how we're getting on. It's been a bit of a weird month. I mean, holistically, has been tough. Pound has been a bit difficult. We'll look at pound in more detail in a second. We'll start with pounds, but yeah, it's an interesting month. Really hoping to get some clear trends developing, which there are, but there's a lot of corrections going on right now. So just to go over what we do in the webinar with myself is review and analyze major pairs, discuss potential trading setups, and cover basic trading strategies. Always give time at the end for those on board live with me to ask questions. Okay, so that's what I try and do on a Tuesday and Thursday, and we are going to start with pound. Look, we'll come to this in a second. Actually, that was a trade we put out earlier. Cable, here we go. This is Cable, and it is doing some remarkable things right now. We are rallying quite hard, and if you remember, I had put out a really interesting setup this morning about a flat correction on Cable, which I'm really don't like doing because I still maybe I'm being really I don't know what's the word, stubborn, that I see this going much further down. And it has to. I mean, really, with Brexit and stuff, I can't see this rallying. But look, this is what the technical says, and the technicals is looking something like this: A, B, C, a truncated C wave here, okay, and now potentially we are pushing up to challenge. I would say if this is the right, this is the correct count, we would be challenging this high here at 133, and then we'd be looking to challenge this high here at 143, and this would be what I'm calling a standard A, B, C flat correction on the daily. So this, but fundamentally, and I'm really a technical trader, but fundamentally, is that possible? Is that possible? I mean, we could even see something. I'm just looking here. We could even see something where we have a head and shoulders being produced here. You can see their left shoulder. This is the head up here. We'll retest. We'll get the rejection off of this level, surely. And then we'll test something like that. Head and shoulders, lovely. Even though I don't particularly subscribe to head and shoulders, but on pound USD, this is technically what could be playing out here. Let's just go into this and look in a bit more depth on the hour. Let's just go to the 4 hour first. 4 hours. So this is a really tough one because this, I don't like it really in terms of its impulsive structure. But let's just go with it. Let's go with it because it doesn't have to be beautiful to be right. And let's calling this wave 1, shallow wave 2, 1.618 here. So this will be wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, this is what we're looking at here. And you can see we are really testing. We are really pushing high now off this, aren't we? This is a real pound strength here. I mean, I'm still short on it. I'm still got a sell stop here, which we'll probably take away. In terms of getting in on this now, it's going to be too late. In terms of an elite wave, 7 2 1 2. It's going to be 1 2 1 2. I'd like to see how it closes tonight tonight at 10 p.m. Thinking about long. I'm really unsure about pound pairs because of the binary, because of the Brexit. And I've said it so many times before. I'm just not keen on. I'm not keen on buying the pound. I'm more interested in selling it, and then probably selling it. It's not been very fruitful for us, which is a bit frustrating. But the count is looking more and more likely, like we are going to be seeing this kind of flat correction up here. We break this level here, then I know that if we break this level, there's more of a much higher chance now that we're going to be pushing up to 141. Well, at least testing this high here at 133.80. Okay, so not much to say about the pound really, other than I believe it's making a flat correction here, or it could be in the early stages here of making a flat correction. In terms of what would be the bearish impulse, so let's just assume that we are going to be bearish. Let's have a look here. This does look like an ABC here. Now there is the possibility. There is a possibility that this could be this. Something like this developing, and then we could be going. I mean, I still see pound down to 110. I still see it down to 110. You know, when the Brexit fallout actually really hits the economy. And this should be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to parity, and then a bounce. But let's look at that in more detail. Yeah, and we've hit the 50% here, which is still possible in a wave two. Wave two really, well, a wave two is Elliott wave count will be from a 50 to all the way to a 99.9 of the wave one. So that puts us, so wave two can retrace anywhere from here to here, anywhere in the green box. So we've touched the green box and we're down. If we are going to be going with this bearish count, okay. Really not sure about buying this at the moment. It's a no man's land for the pound at the moment. So we sold it earlier, and but I'm not going to be putting anything out on this yet, especially a buy. Any questions about the pound? Any questions about the pound? Okay, we're going to move over to. Right, this is USD JPY. So this is dollar yen. Dollar yen should be moving upwards, and we've seen here on, I think it was Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like a flat A, B, C, and then a move to finish wave 5. So let's just go into this here. So A, B, C. This looks like a flat correction. Like so. Let's just bring that there. Okay, so we've got a nice impulsive move up here, and then this looks like a wave 4. So we're looking for the bounce off of 107.507 here, and to finish this move upwards, this 5-wave move. We'll be looking to project, I believe we looked at this on Tuesday. Okay, so we're looking to finish around about 109. Okay, 109 for the wave 5. So we're looking now here for the retracement off here, so we can do. Let's just take a box. Okay, so looking for the retest on 107 and then buy the wave 5 here. Okay, so this could be a nice opportunity. Now, if we were to take this as a trade itself, we would do a buy limit in this zone here. Okay, so you do a buy limit here. Our stop would be below the lowest significant low, which is here. And then we take it up here. And this would be our profit. And let's just see what that is. 170 pips. Okay, so buy limit. Here, okay, really distinctive wave 4 pattern here. Obviously, a wave 4 is a corrective move, and it's always a complex correction. Always going to be, or most of the time, it will be a complex correction. Okay, guys. So usually a flat correction. Usually a flat correction. Okay, so we're looking to buy the bounce here. We can put this. So looking to buy the bounce at 107. 465. Okay, so that is what we've got here. So that's actually quite a nice trade here. In terms of risk to reward, let's have a look at it. Oh, can't seem to sort it out. Anyway, it's about 9 to 1 risk to reward. So a really good little trade there, which I will be putting out on the group. Okay, so I'll put that out on the group. Yep, so looking for the bounce here, and then we'll take wave 5. Now, in terms of the longer, let's just get rid of all this. So this is looking like 1, 2. Okay, so something like this. Okay. Yep. So that's USD JPY. Any questions about USD JPY, guys? Okay, we're going to move over to Euro. Okay, so this is Euro. Seems to be, as you can see, let's just get rid of all this stuff here. Now, I've got us moving down this channel here on the 4 hour. You can see very clearly WXY, WX. So I'm calling for Euro actually to fall now harder. And this looks like a triangle. We can clearly see price is coiling up here. You can see that here. Look at that. That is a very, very distinct coil. And we've got the same here. Now, this looks to me like it looks like a symmetrical triangle. So, I mean, this really, we're looking for 3 touches here. So it doesn't quite qualify. But this could pop any direction. It could go up, it could go down. But it's we could call this a pennant. I'm still favouring the downside. I think a break here of this level here, so this is 110.092, will confirm the next leg to the downside here. Okay, so we are looking for a break of this level, okay, to the downside. Now, if price breaks this, then this X will go up higher, okay? And then we will call this to be A, B, C. To be A, B, C. And then this would be the new X, okay? A, and let's just find out where this would finish. Let's just have another look at this. 2, 3 with A. Yeah, I think that's it, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's call that A. Okay, so looking at this area here, okay. So if we were to break this trend line, we'd be making equal legs at around about 111.58, and then we'd be moving down, okay. But we still have to obviously test the trend line, and we've already tested this trend line here on the 1 hour and 4 hour, and we've rejected. So there needs to be quite a lot of momentum here to break this trend line to come up to this level. In terms of trading, I would prefer to see a break of this level here before going short. Okay, so nothing really setting up right now in terms of Euro USD. Gold. Okay, so gold is still in its correction, correcting still. It's been in a correction for quite a, it's going to be correcting for a little while now. And you can see we are still working out wave 4 of the large degree, and we're waiting to now move down to the purple box in 1450 so we can buy. Okay, so not an opportunity right now to buy, because we're waiting for this move to just move lower here. Okay, and this looks hideously corrected. Look at it. We're caught in a range here. We're clearly in a trading range, but we're now not too far away from our target of 1452 where we can buy. So in the next couple of days, I'm looking for gold to fall out of this trading range here, retest 1450, and this is the point in which we will buy. And we will be buying this up to 1650. Okay, so there's not too much on at the moment, guys. We're just really working out wave 2 corrections most of the time. But I'll be back on Sunday. I'll be back for a market update on Sunday, and a webinar on Tuesday, and hopefully there will be some more exciting trends for you guys that we can get into. But it is going to be a little bit quiet at the moment. We just have to be very patient, especially with gold and stuff. We just have to sit on the sidelines for it, guys, and just wait. But there will be some really nice moves coming up, so just be patient, please, guys. But I will catch you again on Tuesday. I hope you have a great week. Thanks, guys. Bye.